Hey there, I'm Manuel, the developer of Zenitizer, your meditation timer for Apple platforms. And today I'm giving you a glimpse of the future of meditation on visionOS. The whole app has been optimized and redesigned to feel right at home on the new operating system. And since visionOS doesn't have HealthKit support, Zenitizer syncs your meditation history with iCloud to your phone, where it's then stored in HealthKit. In general, everything is kept in sync, like your routines and timer settings. Now, let's have a look at the core piece of the app, the timer itself. Everything works just like you're used to from Zenitizer on other platforms, including the soothing background sounds. And the timer even continues when the window is closed, so you can meditate distraction-free in the here and now, or in any of the beautiful built-in environments that come with visionOS. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to download Zenitizer when you get your Apple Vision Pro. It'll be available on the App Store on day one.